Today is 31st May 2020 and 31st May is being celebrated as World No Tobacco Day. Currently, every year, a total of around 6 million people worldwide are succumbed to death due to tobacco. In a bid to inculcate awareness among people to the bane of substances, the World Health Organization observes a 24-hour day of self-restraint from tobacco on the 31st of May each year. First stipulated in the year 1987, the World No Tobacco Day. सबसे पहले 1987 में मनाया गया था वर्ल्ड नो टोबैको डे was an initiative of all the member states of the WHO following the resolution WHA 42 19 passed by the World Health Assembly in 1988. The goal was to encourage tobacco users worldwide to refrain from using tobacco products for 24 hours, a step they hope would provide assistance for those trying to quit. On the eve of the World No Tobacco Day in 2008, the World Health Organization called for a worldwide ban on all advertising, promotion, and sponsorship of tobacco. The theme of the World No Tobacco Day in 2008 was Tobacco Free Youth and focused on targeting advertising attempt directly, specifically at the youth. Each year, the WHO selects a theme for the World No Tobacco Day to engage a world for inspirational thought to convey its deeply humanitarian message. This theme then becomes WHO's fundamental elements of the tobacco-related agenda for the year to follow. The WHO theme for 2012 No Tobacco Day is Tobacco Industry Interference, which seeks to highlight and counter the tobacco industry's brazen attempts to undermine the WHO initiative against a life-threatening drug. To facilitate the spread of the agenda, the WHO invests in the creation and distribution of publicity materials related to the theme, including brochures, flyers, posters, websites, and press releases. In many of the W&TD themes, titles such as Tobacco Kills, Don't Be Duped 2000, Tobacco Deadly in Any Form or Disguise 2006, reflects that individual may be misled, confused, or even misinformed about the true hazards of consuming tobacco. The rationale for the 2000 and 2008 W&TD themes identify the marketing strategies and the illusion created by the tobacco industry as the chief fodder for the confusion. The WHO's World No Tobacco Day initiative indicates as alternative understanding of the fact as well from the global public health perspective. World No Tobacco Day celebrations provide an official interpretation of the most recent tobacco-related research and statistics to provide a common ground which can formulate anti-tobacco arguments around the world.